Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Paul.
I'm Cinnamon.
And we are focused on the road. And today we're going to be going through the 2019 Hartland Bighorn 3871 FBO.
This one is my favorite, you guys. So enjoy the walkthrough and thanks for joining.
Alright, so this is a 2019 Hartland Bighorn 3871 FBO. No idea what that means, but let's go check it out. Stairs could use an upgrade. The experience package. It's probably very centric to the open road RV center.
Love it. Loving this.
This one is 101,000.
No, outside it said 69.
Oh, it's on sale, 69,000. That's great. It's pretty cool. I like the little. It still have these like crazy wood. It's all super ugly.
It is. It's like so 80s.
I do like that they position the recliners with a TV right there. These are really nice and comfy too. Of course, this is standard on almost every single one of these things. It has these little
massage and key.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, lock.
Oh, there we go.
Amazing. They do like recline it all the way. It's like you could almost sleep in it. We probably would a few times.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's a big slide. Look at the size of this slide. It's huge.
I could definitely sleep in this, I think.
And they have a little desk right here.
Yeah,
that's what you were talking about.
When we came in.
I know, but I wasn't paying attention to you. I'm joking. It's true. Yeah, I like that. That's really nice. That's a perfect little space. Because it keeps it open. They could use a bigger window. But your monitors are going to like fill up the entire area, so it doesn't really matter. Little USB ports.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Plug in.
Little cubbies.
Awesome wood. I mean, who doesn't want the crazy amount of wood? I wonder if they have different packages that have different, like, darkness of wood, lightness of wood. I mean, like, come on, people. Look,
nice and open.
I mean, what year is this? For real. I'm just joking.
It's like nice and open.
Yeah.
Puppies can run up and down.
Yeah. They'd have a blast in this area. Oh, yeah. Little coat closet. Put all your
Yeah, it's nice.
coats. I don't know what else you'd put in there.
Leashes.
There's a pocket door.
Right here.
And the bed's right here. Look at that.
That's where all the magic
Look,
happens.
more USBs. There's 2 on each side. Do they know
Perfect.
Americans or what? Anyway, that's funny.
This is great. Look at how big that is in there.
That's very substantial. Look, tiny little TV. I mean, because when you're way over here, let's do this. I'm gonna put it over here. Look how small that sucker is from over here. It's like this big.
You don't need a giant
It's only this
TV.
big. You don't need
We
a big
all
TV.
lived perfectly fine with small TVs.
We have phones in our hands that are bigger than that.
Look at this.
Look at it!
This is nice.
Oh my.
Washer
Big
dryer.
pantry there. Again, I am 6'2", and I mean that's nice that they put that there. But I feel like they need like a sprout to be like right here.
Sprout.
Spout? Did I say sprout?
It's a sprout.
I don't
All
know.
this. So much storage.
What is this on here for? You're just gonna have like an art center right here or something? I don't understand.
It's a sink, honey.
I know, but why do they have this on here? This feels very breakable. I would break that, but I won't. Yeah, I like this. It's got a nice clothes rack. Oh, there's a vault back there. Put all your valuables in.
Oh.
It comes with a Dyson.
I was expecting like a place to put my medicine.
Oh, nope.
Window.
You can't put your medicine in. I mean, you can put like little.
Yeah.
You can put like a like little toothbrush holders and
Yeah.
things like that. It'd be kind of nice. That feels like it's gonna. Oh, that's dangerous.
Crazy, honey.
I'm getting crazy. It's all the shopping, man. It's just like going in my head.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, it's nice. Lots of storage underneath.
I like this.
Whole lot of like storage for like things. You look in here? We did already. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of. Yeah, that's nice. Huge. I don't know. It's got to be. It feels like it's longer than 40 foot. But
I know, right?
Got USB ports everywhere. There's one over there, over there.
Sticking out.
I don't see anything over here though.
This thing like fold down
I think it extends out.
and then comes off.
Yeah, see, it's got a leaf on that side
Just
too.
like annoyingly long.
Yeah,
No, I like this one.
I do too.
I mean, aside from the finishes,
Yeah.
the floor plan is perfect.
I mean, I wonder if something like this we would want to paint it. Because, I mean, painting it like a different, you know, something that would match this back, you know, whatever.
Lighten it up.
Lighten it up. It'd probably look a lot
I wonder if
better.
I could find one of these used.
It's a good idea. It's a good thought. Yeah,
I just like the floor. The floor plan is great.
it is.
With
That's
the
really
desk.
nice.
It's perfect.
But I do like the little accent lights that they have.
Yeah, it's pretty
But
nice.
You just have to move it.
yeah, I know.
I like the big island.
Yeah.
The stove is great. The fridge is great. The pantry's great.
Yeah, that's great.
Card's great. Everything about it's great.
There's great. Okay, let's do on the outside real
Winner,
quick.
winner, winner.
We found like 3 winners so far. So 2. Look at that. I mean, if you got like annoying teenagers, they can go right here, honey. This is annoying teenager area.
Or bad
Just
puppies.
bad puppies go in there. Don't be a bad puppy. They have one on this side, and they probably have one on the other side. Spot for a generator. I don't see. Oh, that's a battery box. So they've got 2 battery boxes. And spot for a generator. This is probably another propane. Yep. See, I don't know if I like that because you got one propane on one side and the other one on the other side, and it might be kind of difficult to get that done. Oh, that's really annoying. Oh, no. There we go. Nothing. Oh, it's just the back. There's the water. Hi. There's the leveler right there. I really can't get back through this area, but want to see if it had. Let's go under here. Oh yeah. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I like it. I love that they have these reels in here. That's a really cool feature, and it automatically detracks and track. That's so cool. I love it. It's a good feature. Yep. It's pretty cool. I like it.
Cool.
It's really long.
I'm sorry, honey.
Let's look at the
It's getting crazy.
thing again just to make sure we got the right one. It's a Bighorn 3871 FBO. There it is.
70 grand.
Disclaimer. All right, there it is.
Favorite.
Phew, look at the size of this awning. Jeez.
Yeah. This is, I like this one. I want this one.
You want this one? We want 2 of them, please.